Hello, welcome again. In this video, we will see how to add packaging info for the products. Now again here you can see three different tabs for the product. Here you need to enter items per box. That means number of items that's going to be there in that box. Like if it is a pack of 1, it would be 1. If it is a pack of 2, it would be 2. And it has to be a numeric value. The next is packaging dimensions. This is basically the packaging dimension of the box in which the product would be packed. So you can choose the unit, centimeter or inch, and you can add the details like length, width, and height of the box. For example, it can be 32, 8. Similarly, you have to add the same details for the rest of the products. And once you add all the details, you need to click on next. This will take you to the next process of adding variations. Thank you.